Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Play Store is updated and has camera permission. This lets the app access your camera for scanning. Once done, position the barcode or QR code on a flat surface and remove glare, because reflections confuse detection. Open Google Play and stay on the main search screen. You will trigger the scanner from here. Make sure your camera lens is clean and steady, and that the code fills about 1/3 to 1/2 of the frame for reliable recognition. Next, tap the Play Store search bar and choose the camera or scan icon to open the built-in scanner. You need to align the barcode within the on-screen guide. Keep the code centered and the phone steady so the app can autofocus. If it doesn't read immediately, back up a little or move closer slowly until the scanner recognizes the pattern. You'll usually see visual feedback when the code is captured, and Play Store will then look up the associated app or link. Finally, review the result Play Store displays and tap Install or Open to proceed. This confirms the scan code mapped to the correct app or content. If nothing appears, make sure camera permission is enabled, improve lighting, and try again slowly. Often glare or blur is the culprit. As a fallback, use Google Lens or a dedicated scanner app to decode the barcode, then follow the displayed Play Store link. That bypass fixes most stubborn scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.